Oh my God, why do I always press stop instead of pause? Sorry about it. Part two, module four, part two. Sorry guys. Um, all right, where am I? Okay, so we should be groovy with what we've got. Now, it's imperative that you download the demonstrative outline so you could see how the body is set up. So Roman numerals in your introduction and in your conclusion, those Roman numerals were elements. But in your body, those Roman numerals are main points. So they're symbols for main points. Those letters, capital letters that go next. So in other words, you have the Roman numeral is your main point. This is your subpoint. This is your subpoint. For this speech demonstrative, all you need are your main points and your subpoints. So for your body, you're going to look at that. What body? What's going to go in Roman numeral 1? Go on, say it out loud. Ingredients. The ingredients. Number 2 is going to be, remember, the steps. And number 3 is going to be the variations. Now, put in your subpoints. A, B, C. List your ingredients. A, flour. B, yeast. C, water. D, sugar. As many as it needs. Steps. A, mix all the ingredients in a bowl. B, stir them together. Just go. Now, let's talk about this. I don't want you guys getting too heavy on the speeches. We've got a little bit on them. But start thinking. Now, I said you're going to have to either cook something or make something. So, what does this mean? This means that you are going to have to, by the way, I'm going to offer 2 Zoom sessions, or you could tape the video and send it to me. But with taping the video and sending it to me, make sure that it's not on something that, make sure it's on something I can open. Um, so if you've had trouble before, you better make sure. Throw me a test or something. But why Zoom is good is because we could share the screens. That's why this will be good. If I was on Zoom right now, I would have typed those things in instead of showing you this. What you'll do is if you're going to cook something, you don't have to know anything about cooking. Do anything. How to make lasagna. Go Google how to make lasagna. Guess what they're going to give you? They might even use Roman numerals. They might put an outline form. Ingredients. Just list them on the outline. For your main point 2, steps. They say in the recipe the steps have to take. Then variations, the last main point 3, that's up to you. So if I was making pizza crust, I might say for a variation of a pizza, you can make I would probably talk about the toppings. You can make a vegetable pizza, you can make a meat pizza, you can make a vegan pizza, something like that. So if I was talking about brownies, I might talk about how you can put marshmallows in the brownies or M&Ms, something like that. This will make no sense, or it'll be very tough unless, for the third time, unless you actually see the demonstrative outline that is on Blackboard, Module 4, under supplementary material. Okay, so that is it. So your assignment by Sunday is to write me an introduction and a conclusion. I will send when I get home. It is by the time I'm finished, it'll be 12:30. I won't get home till like 2 o'clock. Uh, but what I'll do is I'll upload this video, and then I'll put the test up. I don't think the test is up yet. I'll put the exam up on. I'll put it up tomorrow. Give you guys some time to do it. It shouldn't take you anything. It shouldn't take you long at all to do it. maybe about 10 minutes tops. All right. So that's it. By the way, I'll also I want to tell you guys what the answers were for your homework since I didn't get feedback on it. But I forget. Donate blood was the only one I could remember. Uh, I can remember them. I think you had 7 of them. Let me see. I know the donate blood was a fragment, so it should have been rewritten as to persuade my audience to donate blood. Then there was a question like, what is so and so? That should just be written as to inform my audience about whatever. I think the first one was the easy one. It was too easy, too vague to persuade my audience to sign up for Facebook or to inform my audience to sign up for Facebook. That's, we know how to do that. Maybe to inform my audience how to make money off Facebook. Okay, now we got something. To inform my audience that something should be done about the word something. It didn't mean anything. Oh, that first one was about Portugal. Yeah, that was it, not Facebook. I changed it to inform my audience about Portugal. What about it? It's too big. To inform my audience about the foods of Portugal. Okay, good. That U-shaped club, a lot of you were like, not to inform, it should be to persuade. Nah, it was too technical. It should maybe to inform my audience how to select a good pair of golf clubs. The other one, U-shaped clubs, the L-shaped clubs, whatever, it was too much. Uh, so I remember what 5 of them and all, but on my next video I'll put it out in front of me and let you know exactly. Um, okay, guys, that is about it. So I think we're in good shape for that test. Um, one last thing, I teach 240, which is interpersonal communication, and one of the things that, wow, I hope that wasn't going crazy. I'll have to oh, I hope I don't have to make this over because that was in the air purifier. One of the things that I teach is self handicap. I can recognize things. If a student just types to me, Professor, I don't get it. I I usually have like 27 other students who did get it, but I understand. But the information that I provide between the supplementary material and my videos, the answers are there. The truth lies out there. The truth is out there. I you can get the answer. So whenever anybody just says like I don't get it, or be careful that you're not just trying to take a shortcut, trying to take the short way home instead of the long way home. The long way home, you get to see new sights, thus learning. If you take the short way home, you're always seeing the same thing. You learn nothing. If you're not watching the videos and not the supplementary material and you read the assignment and you go, I don't get it. Well, yeah, you don't get it. I understand that. But I'll do everything in my power to get you to understand it. But I can usually tell whether somebody did not watch the video and read the supplementary material. So be careful about that. As much as I don't want to load you guys up with extra work, kind of be cool. Don't load me up with extra work. However, if you do not understand something, please let me know, and I'll do my best to explain it to you or get you in the right direction. All right, that is it, guys. I'm out of here. I'm going to post this. You should get it by Tuesday night, and that be that. All right, sorry about making it 2 parts. It should have only been 1 part, but I'll throw it out. Okay, guys, I'll talk to you. I got to salute with this right hand. I'll talk to you guys later.